Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam Kukar Pintar. Hi everyone. How's life today? I hope you are fine. Alright, welcome back to Kukar Pintar channel in English class with me, Novatri Ashari. Okay students, today we are going to study chapter 7. My uncle is a zookeeper. By the way, do you still remember the last material? Apa kalian masih ingat materi kita sebelumnya? Alright, awesome, about simple present tense. Ya, jadi di bab 7 ini kita fokus kepada grammar tentang simple present tense. Baik, tujuan pembelajaran kita kali ini adalah menyusun teks interaksi transaksional lisan dan tulis sangat pendek dan sederhana yang melibatkan tindakan memberi dan meminta informasi kejadian yang dilakukan atau terjadi secara rutin dengan memperhatikan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan yang benar dan sesuai konteks. Okay, in this chapter we will use this book. Buku bahasa Inggris kelas 8 When English Rings a Bell and Basic English Grammar by Betty S. Azar. Okay students, now please label the pictures using the verbs on the box. Time is yours. Okay, and now please check your answer. Okay students, and now please read the text carefully. Sekarang silakan dibaca teks berikut dengan hati-hati.
My sister and I get up early every day. We make the beds and clean the house. We also help mother to prepare the breakfast for the family. But before that, we never forget to do some exercise. We are just like other people. We take care of our home. When we get home, we do the housework ourselves. We wash the dishes. We also clean the bathroom. We water the plants too.
Dayu, Lena, and Siti are never late to class, they walk to school. But they always get to school on time. They rarely take public transport. They look healthy and happy all the time. They often speak English to each other, to their friends, and to the English teachers. They ask questions in English. They answer questions in English too. Their English is very good.
Sekarang mari kita identifikasi kalimat yang sudah kalian baca tadi. First, we never forget to do some exercise. Kami tidak pernah lupa untuk mengerjakan latihan. Next, they always go to school on time. Mereka selalu pergi ke sekolah tepat waktu. Next, they rarely take public transport. Mereka jarang ikut transportasi umum. Next, they often speak English to each other. Mereka sering berbicara bahasa Inggris satu sama lain. Okay, the last sentence. Dayu, Lina, and Siti are never late to class. Dayu, Lina, dan Siti tidak pernah terlambat untuk masuk kelas. Okay, students. Do you pay attention with the word never, always, often, and rarely? Apa kalian memperhatikan kata-kata tersebut? Ya, we call them adverb of frequency. Kita menyebutnya kata keterangan tingkat keseringan. Jadi kata always, selalu, often, sering, kemudian never, tidak pernah, rarely, jarang, itu disebut sebagai kata keterangan tingkat keseringan. Okay, students. For the sentences using the verb, the form is. Untuk kalimat-kalimat yang menggunakan kata kerja, ketika kita ingin menambahkan adverb of frequency, polanya adalah subject plus adverb of frequency plus verb S or ES plus object. Jadi polanya subjek, kemudian diikuti kata keterangan, kemudian diikuti kata kerja. Kata kerjanya bisa tambahkan S atau IS, menyesuaikan subjek. Masih ingat ya pertemuan sebelumnya, ketika subjeknya he, she, it, maka kata kerjanya ausen. Kata kerjanya harus tambah S atau IS. Tapi ketika subjeknya they, we, are, you, maka cukup verb one saja. Dan diakhiri dengan objek. Baik, untuk kalimat nominal yang mana tidak menggunakan kata kerja, maka polanya adalah sebagai berikut. Subject plus to be plus adverb of frequency plus adjective atau noun atau adverb baru plus object. Jadi untuk kalimat yang tidak ada kata kerjanya atau disebut dengan kalimat nominal, yang mana kalimat nominal itu adalah kalimat yang menggunakan kata sifat atau kata benda atau kata keterangan. Maka jangan lupa tambahkan to be setelah subjek. Contoh kalimatnya tadi, Dayu, Lina, and Siti are never late to the class. Oke, jadi Dayu, Lina, and Siti sebagai subjek, are sebagai to be, never sebagai adverb of frequency, late sebagai adjektif, class sebagai adverb of place, kata keterangan tempat. Alright, smart students, and now exercise time. Okay, complete each sentence with a word from the box. Time is yours. Have you finished? Awesome! And now please check your answer. Here you are. Okay, students, and next, the second exercise. Read the text and find the mistakes and correct it. Silakan dibaca teksnya, temukan kesalahan dan benarkan. Pay attention to the simple present tense form. Perhatikan bentuk simple presentnya. Time is yours. Alright, have you finished? Amazing. And now please check the key answer. Check it out. Okay, students, and now as you work at home, look at the list of routines. Check your routines every day. Put them in order. What do you do first, second, third, etc. Write them on the lines. Alright, students, that's all for today. Thanks for your nice attention. Study hard at home and don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. See you on the next meeting. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam Kukar Pintar. Do your best, get the best.